Close your eyes and imagine the night sky. We see a peaceful blanket of stars, a silent cosmic ocean that looks beautiful from the safety of our planet. But the more we look into the dark, the more we realize the universe is not a peaceful place. It is a graveyard of dead stars, a playground for invisible monsters, and a void so vast that it makes our entire existence feel like a mistake. What if I told you there are places in space where the laws of physics break, where it rains molten glass sideways, and where entire galaxies are being swallowed by an invisible force we cannot see? Today, we are leaving the comfort of Earth to explore the most terrifying discoveries ever made in deep space. Welcome to the dark side of the cosmos. If you travel 700 million light-years away from Earth towards the constellation of Boötes, you will encounter something that shouldn't exist. It's called the Boötes Void. Astronomers call it the Great Nothing. To understand how scary this place is, imagine this. Our own galaxy, the Milky Way, is surrounded by thousands of other galaxies. But the Boötes Void is a massive sphere of emptiness, nearly 330 million light-years in diameter. By all laws of cosmic evolution, there should be at least 10,000 galaxies inside that space. Do you know how many we found? Barely 60. If you were standing in the middle of the Boötes Void, you would be surrounded by absolute, total darkness in every direction. No stars, no planets, no light. If the Milky Way had been in the center of this void, we wouldn't have known other galaxies existed until the 1960s. We would have thought we were completely alone in the entire universe. Some scientists suggest a terrifying theory. Could something be consuming these galaxies? Or is the void growing? We don't know, and that is the scariest part.
Now, let's move from the empty void to a nightmare world. Meet HD 189733b. At first glance, it looks like a beautiful, deep blue planet, much like Earth. But don't let the color fool you. This isn't water. This is a world made of pure horror. The blue color comes from an atmosphere filled with silicate particles, essentially tiny grains of glass. And on this planet, it doesn't just rain, it rains glass. But that's not the worst part. Because of the extreme heat and the planet's rotation, the winds here travel at 5,400 miles per hour. That's 7 times the speed of sound. Imagine being caught in a storm where billions of shards of glass are flying at you sideways at supersonic speeds. It is a planetary paper cut that would shred anything in its path into atoms in less than a second.
Everything in the universe is moving. Earth is orbiting the sun. The sun is orbiting the center of the Milky Way. But where is the Milky Way going? For decades, astronomers have noticed something deeply unsettling. Our entire galaxy, along with hundreds of thousands of others, is being pulled toward a specific point in space. We are moving at an incredible speed of 1.4 million miles per hour. The problem? We can't see what's pulling us. This point lies in what scientists call the zone of avoidance, an area hidden behind the thick dust and stars of our own galactic disk. We call it the Great Attractor. Imagine a gravitational force so massive that it defies imagination. It is pulling entire superclusters of galaxies across hundreds of millions of light years. Is it a massive concentration of dark matter? Is it something even more exotic that we haven't discovered yet? The terrifying truth is that we are like dust caught in a cosmic vacuum cleaner, being dragged toward an invisible center. We are falling through space, and we have no way to stop. When we think of planets, we think of them orbiting stars, bathed in warmth and light. But there is a silent, invisible army of worlds lurking in the darkness between stars. These are the rogue planets. These planets were once part of a solar system, just like ours. But through violent gravitational interactions, they were kicked out. They were exiled into the eternal night of interstellar space. Scientists estimate there could be billions, perhaps trillions of these rogue planets in the Milky Way alone. That means there might be more homeless planets than there are stars. Imagine a world twice the size of Earth, made of solid ice and rock, drifting through the void at tens of thousands of miles per hour. No sun will ever rise on its horizon. It is a world of absolute zero temperatures and crushing silence. The scariest part? Because they emit no light, we cannot see them coming. One of these dark giants could be heading toward our solar system right now, and we wouldn't know until its gravity began to rip our planets out of their orbits. They are the ghosts of the cosmos, wandering the dark, waiting to collide.